If you pass away without a will, your assets will get split per the intestate laws. As an example, in Georgia, your assets will be split evenly between your kids and your spouse, with your spouse getting a minimum of 1/3 of your assets. Now, if you have a will, you can give direction on how you want your assets to be split. So let's say you want to give everything to your spouse and then let them use those assets to take care of themselves financially for the remainder of their life and then be passed down to your kids after they pass away. You can set that up with a will. The problem is going to be that your assets will have to go through the probate process, which can take up to a year and a half for your spouse to take ownership of those assets that you're trying to pass down to them. A couple options that you have is either setting up joint tenants rights of survivorship and designated beneficiaries, or using a revocable trust. The first option is the cheaper one. So you can set up joint tenants rights of survivorship on your house. That will automatically avoid probate and go directly to them. You can set up designated beneficiaries on your financial accounts, like your retirement accounts, investment accounts, checking, savings, life insurance, etc. That will all avoid probate and go directly to them. Now, if you want someone to take care of your spouse through the end of their life without them having to worry about the finances and dealing with all of it, you can put your assets inside of a revocable trust, have the trustee take care of your spouse throughout the end of their life, and then pass those assets down to your kids when they pass away. With option one, your assets after your spouse passes away will have to go through probate to go down to your kids, which can cost them up to $10,000 and a year and a half in time. If your assets are in a revocable trust, it will avoid probate, going to your spouse, and then going down to your kids. It's a much faster process, and it's much cheaper because on the front end, you're only paying for the revocable trust. If you want help setting this up and you use one of our trusts, your assets will avoid the probate process, or we'll do probate for free. Click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk some more.